Hey guys, it's Ryan with My Listing Club. In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily add a custom select field to your WooCommerce registration page. I recently did another video where I showed you how to add a custom text field. So that was more of like a free form text entry. But what if you wanted to give the registrant an option to choose predefined values? So that's what we're going to do in this particular video. So we're going to do this with a code snippet. No additional plugin is needed. So this is free for those that are a free solution for those that are club members, just to grab this code snippet. Okay. From the My Listing Club website, we're going to go under menu. We're going to go to resources. We're going to sort by code snippets. We're going to grab this very first one here, since that's the last one I added. Add a custom select field to WooCommerce registration form. Okay, as you see here under the instructions, I'm giving you the snippet type and I'm telling you how to add it to WP Code Box, which we're going to do in this video. In this particular snippet, the user is asked to select their preferred gift. Okay, so again, and this is a specific example we're going to show. This is selecting a preferred gift. So maybe they sign up for your website and you're offering free swag, or free merchandise, free gift in this case. So whether it's a hat, a mug, or whatever gift that you're going to give them. Okay. So this is just a hypothetical situation. You can adjust this field to do anything you can dream of. Okay. So we're just going to go ahead and click copy to grab the code snippet. We're going to go back to our My Listing website. This is just a test My Listing website. We're going to go to WP Code Box. You don't have to use WP Code Box. That's just my preferred solution for adding and managing code snippets on any WordPress website. If you care about optimization and ease of management and things of that, it's hands down is the best in my opinion. WP Code Box defaults to PHP code snippets, which is what we're going to have in this particular case, but you can change it to whatever you want. CSS, JavaScript, whatever, HTML. Okay, so we're just going to go ahead and click Control V in my case, or you can right click and just paste that code snippet right in here. We don't want to have that PHP in there. So we just want the one in there. So let me go back to my code. I'll comment that out after the video, but this shouldn't be in there. So I'll take that out. So you'll just copy all the code. You'll drop it in here like we see here. Click save, enable it, and that's all there is to it. So let's now go to the front end of this test my listing website. Let's go to register. And now we see this drop down, preferred gift, and we see our options here, hat, shirt, mug. Okay. Without that code snippet, this just won't be there. Okay. One of the things you'll notice is the asterisk there. That means it's required. So we'll go ahead and I'll show you how to take that off. You just need to look for the word required in this code snippet. So we'll do Control F in my case with Windows. You just need to bring up the find window in your browser there. So do a search for required. We see one entry. Here it is right here. We're just going to change it from true. Just going to change it to say false. That's all there is to it. Save the snippet. Go back to our site and refresh. There we go. So now they are not required to select this field. Okay. If they don't select, let's go back here and put that required back on. So change this back to true. Save. Let's refresh our registration page. Okay. So let's just put in an email, a bogus email. Okay. So if we don't select it, we're going to see that an error message appears. Okay, we need to store this information. You can change this to whatever you want it to say, but it's saying we need to store this information to send you the right gift. Okay, so if they choose this, they're going to say shirt. They register. Cool, all's good. Let's look in the under the users here now in our WordPress dashboard. Here's our new user registration. We're going to scroll down and look for preferred gift. Let's see. Here we go. Preferred gift. And they chose a shirt. So there you go. Just that easy. Okay, so now let's actually get into this code snippet a little bit more, and let's see how you can alter it to fit whatever it is that you want to do with this thing. All right. go back to our code snippet. So WordPress dashboard, WP code box. Let's pull up this snippet here. What I recommend you do is to use a code editor or a text editor that allows finding text and replacing it, because you can do this all much quicker and avoid potential errors. You can go through here manually and change everything, but I'm going to show you how to do it really quick with Visual Studio Code. It's a free app for any operating system out there. It's just awesome. So go ahead and download that and check it out. I don't know where it is here on my screen. There it is. Let me go ahead and add it here to my taskbar real quick. Pin to taskbar. Okay, so let's bring this back up. Let's start a new file. Okay, so now we've got our text editor set up. All we're going to do is we're going to come in here and we're going to do a select all of the text here in our snippet. We're going to copy it. We're going to go over here into Visual Studio Code or whatever text editor you're going to use. I'm just going to assume you're using Visual Studio Code for the purposes of this video. Okay, paste everything in there. And let's just look for everything that has to do with preferred gift. So let's just do a search here for the word preferred. If I knew how to spell. Okay, the word preferred, we've got 16 entries here. So you see them all highlighted here on my screen. Let's just look at the first one here, preferred gift. Let's hypothetically say, oh man, I'm trying to think of one here on the fly. Let's just do for fun. Let's do favorite ice cream. Maybe you've got a directory about ice cream. I don't know. So we want to change preferred gift. So let's do a search for preferred _ gift. We see that we've got 14 entries there. Let's just say, we'll call this, let's replace it with favorite ice cream. Favorite _ ice _ cream. Okay. And we're just going to replace all of those. Boom. In one shot, we've done that. So let's go back again and let's do a search for preferred and make sure we've got all of those entries replaced. We see that we've got 2 more entries in here. So let's see what these are. Preferred gift. Okay. We can copy this, drop it in here. We want to change this to say preferred ice cream. Sorry, I said favorite. Favorite ice cream. Okay, replace both of those entries. Boom. Okay, let's do another search. Make sure we've got all the preferreds out of there, and we do. What else was there? There was preferred, gosh, I already forgot. Preferred gift, that's what it was. Let's do a search for the word gift and make sure that's not in here anywhere. Oops. And we see that there's one entry. Let me make sure. Yeah, there's one entry, and that is here. We need to store this information to send you the right gift. Well, we're not doing that. So let's say we need to store this information to know your favorite ice cream. Cool. So now we've replaced preferred gift, all the entries for that. Now just quickly looking at the snippet here, we just want to make sure that everything else makes sense. So scrolling down through here, favorite ice cream. Oh, okay, this doesn't make sense. We don't need to ask for hat, shirt, and mug. So let's just replace all entries of hat. So hat, we're going to replace that with strawberry. Okay. Why that one didn't get replaced. Let's do it one more time. There we go. I don't know what, that was weird. Okay, let's do shirt. Let's replace that with vanilla. Okay, replace all. Cool. And then the last one there is mug. Let's replace that with chocolate. Okay, we've done that. And I think that's it. Just a quick look through here. Favorite ice cream. Yep, that looks good. That looks good. You don't have to worry about getting into the code. You know, we're just changing the words that we know we need to change, which was preferred gift. All right. That's all. You don't need to worry about any of this other stuff. Okay, this looks good. Let's copy all this code. Let's go back to our dashboard. Let's now replace all of this code with our updated code. So just delete all of that out of there, paste that in, click save. All right. I'm going to go ahead and make sure that this test user is out just so there's no confusion. Okay, so now we just have the admin of the website. Let's go back to the front end of our test site. Let's go to register. Okay, now we see it's changed. Favorite ice cream. So I'm just going to register again. Blah, blah, blah. I'm going to say my favorite ice cream is strawberry and register. Cool. Now let's go into our dashboard. Let's refresh this here. Let's go into this user. Scroll down. There we go. Favorite ice cream is strawberry. Pretty cool stuff, right? You can let your imagination run wild here. Think about all the stuff that you potentially might want to ask to help with your sales funnel, your marketing, just to know the demographics of the people registering if you're not using analytics of any kind. I mean, sky's the limit. Whatever you guys can dream up there, I'm sure you guys can come up with something. But hope you found this video useful. Please subscribe so you know when the next video like this comes out or any of my other MyListing videos come out. It really means a lot and helps out a lot. Okay. Thank you and see you next time. Take care.